Dear God, when I look at the world you made, I feel small in the best way. Thank you for the quiet places, the soft grass under my feet, the bright stars that shimmer above me, and the little breezes that whisper through the trees. Thank you for birds that sing tiny songs, and for squirrels that jump like they're playing tag. Thank you for flowers that open in the morning and close like sleepy eyes at night. Sometimes I wonder how you made so many beautiful things. Sometimes I look at the sky and it feels like you painted it just for me. It reminds me that even though the universe is huge, you still know me, love me, and hear me when I pray. Please help my heart stay peaceful, like a quiet pond with no ripples. Help me notice the good things you show me, a warm sunbeam, a passing cloud, a bird that sits close without flying away. Bless my family. Fill our home with calm, and let your presence settle around us like gentle morning light. Tonight I pray for a thankful heart, wonder in my eyes, and dreams full of your creation. Thank you for every quiet place where I can feel close to you.